आदाब और फिर से आप सभी को वेलकम करते हैं, स्वागत करते हैं टुडेज फन फैक्ट्स में and a beginning of a new episode with some more facts to be shared with you friends for tonight. Every day from Monday to Friday sharp at 8 o'clock जब मैं आप सभी से मिलता हूँ कुछ ऐसे ही घटनाओं के साथ जो इतिहास के पन्ने में कहीं ना कहीं कभी ना कभी हुआ है, और उसी सारे फैक्ट्स को मैं कोशिश करता हूँ उसमें से अहम फैक्ट्स को आप सभी के साथ शेयर करने का। तो उम्मीद है आप सभी अच्छे हैं। फिलहाल beginning of today's episode with the year 1848, beginning with something that is connected with the French Revolution, and particularly for my friends those who are in standard 9 and 10 जिनके CBSE चैप्टर में भी फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन है हिस्ट्री में। 17th सेंचुरी में दो आई एम नॉट स्पीकिंग अबाउट 17th सेंचुरी में बताऊंगा आज का पहला स्टोरी जो है दैट इज रिलेटेड विद द ईयर 1848 and the date is today 16 September 1848, when the fact is that the concept of slavery was abolished from all the French territories today. जितने भी फ्रेंच टेरिटरीज था वहां से स्लेव ट्रेड का जो कॉन्सेप्ट था वो एबोलिश्ड आज से हुआ। मैं सिर्फ कुछ चीज मैं अपने दोस्तों से शेयर करना चाहता हूँ। दिस कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ स्लेवरी वाज अ वेरी इट स्टार्टेड, अब कुछ भी बोलिए, इन द 17th सेंचुरी, जबकि कुछ कैरेबियन आइलैंड्स, कुछ कैरेबियन देयर वर फ्यू कैरेबियन कॉलोनीज लाइक मार्टिनिक, गुआडेलूप, ऐसे कुछ जहाँ पे टोबैको, शुगर और कॉफ़ी, ये सारे प्लांटेशंस बहुत ज़्यादा होता था। और वहाँ पे इस प्लांटेशंस ऐसी चीज़ें थी कि जहाँ पे लेबर का बहुत ज़्यादा रिक्वायरमेंट था। तो इस फॉर द शॉर्टेज ऑफ लेबर इन दिस कॉलोनीज, a triangular slave trade developed among countries like Africa, Europe and American, and this was a trade that developed from labors being supplied from France. This triangular slave trade ये काफ़ी सालों तक रहा, बट फाइनली बीच में एक बार बंद हो गया था। बाद में फिर ड्यूरिंग नेपोलियन बोनापार्ट इट स्टार्टेड एंड finally it was abolished today 16th of September 1848. So my friends, those who are viewing me right now, anyone connected with standard 9-10, please check out once whether I'm correct or not. Yes, I should be. So let's move on to the next news for you, my friends. 1859, there's a lake known as Lake Nyasa, Nyasa, Lake Nyasa, which forms Malawi's boundary with Tanzania. There are two countries, Tanzania and Mozambique. The lake was discovered by a British explorer, David Livingstone, today, that is on 16th of September 1859. So find out Lake Tanzania, Lake Nyasa on the map, and do comment, send me comments on my comments box once you find it out tomorrow, right? Lake Nyasa. Moving on to the next incident, 1906. And what happened exactly? Douglas Mawson, Edgeworth David and another gentleman, Alistair Mackay, three of them claims to have discovered the magnetic South Pole in Antarctica today in the year 1906. So another big discovery in the Indian geography, in the world geography, I'm sorry. This was the credit that goes to these three gentlemen in the year 1906. Okay, so moving on to the next fact of today's episode is with the year 1920, a little bit bigger. The Wall Street bombing, it was a incident that was obviously not on a very positive note, because already मैं हमेशा बोला हूँ कि I always try to share news with positive vibrations, but this is the Wall Street bombing was one of the disastrous bombing accidents that happened in New York today in the year 1920. It is said that a horse carriage which was carrying dynamite of around 45 kilo suddenly exploded, which killed around 30 people and around 150 people injured on spot. And this Wall Street is in front of the a place, Morgan Building at 23 Wall Street. There's a building known as the Morgan Building. So this is what exactly happened, and there was no claims are right at the moment. FBI tried to find it out, but उस time में intelligence भी उतना develop नहीं था. But anyway, later on it was found that believed that a group called Galenists, they were Italian anarchists who were supposed to do this explosion probably, and in the year 1920 on this particular 16th September at New York, which killed life of 30 people. So not at all a good news, but anyway, moving on to another exciting news for you. 1963, guys, Federation of Malaysia. You must be knowing of Malaysia, beautiful country, close to Singapore. I have been there also. So Malaysia, in 1963, the Federation of Malaysia was formed by Singapore, British North Borneo, and Sarawak. And the person, the legend who was the main idea who worked, and the person who mainly worked as the founder of this Malaysian founded federation was known as Tunku Abdul Rahman. So a person who has been a great leader and worked really behind this formation of the Federation of Malaysia in the year 1963, today on 16 September, right? So let's see what comes another for my all the friends. Those are related to the music industry. A lot of news, both दिन से कुछ music related news नहीं दिया. So Bob Dylan, one of the beautiful composers, singers, Bob Dylan, he records a music record and with the song which was Blood on the Tracks today on 16 September. You must have heard of it. अगर नहीं सुने हैं तो वो सुनिए. Bob Dylan का one of the popular composition, Blood on the Tracks, that was composed, recorded today. And another news I would like to share with you, friends. 1983, one of my favorite stars forever till date, Arnold Schwarzenegger, who was a born Austrian. Arnold was not from US. बहुत लोगों का धारणा है कि Arnold Schwarzenegger US से थे. नहीं, he was not originally a native of US. He was from Austria. But he got the citizenship of US today on 16 September. And about Arnold Schwarzenegger, कौन था वो? मेरे को बोलने का कोई ज़रूरत नहीं. You all know about him. So he got the citizenship of US today on 16 September. That was all for all today's fun facts. But coming up to the birthdays today. Today is the birthday of an Indian scriptwriter, lyricist, person, a legend in the musical industry, Prasoon Joshi. Prasoon's birthday is today, so we wish him all the best on his birthday. And today is a birthday of another person from Carnatic music industry, M.S. Subbulakshmi, who was born in 1916. M.S. Subbulakshmi is a iconic singer, Carnatic singer, जिनको कर्नाटक में लोग बहुत मानते हैं. She is a legend. 1916 में आज के दिन उनका बर्थ हुआ था, M.S. Subbulakshmi का. So that was all from my corner on today's fun facts, sharing the facts on the birthdays. Hope you are all keeping well. Do take good care of yourselves. Stay well. We'll meet you up again tomorrow at the same time, 8 o'clock. Till then, goodbye, good night, Shabbat. Thank you.
है।